Welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl with iStylEmystyle, and today I have a very special video for you. This video is part of a collaboration that I am co-hosting with several wonderful sisters here on YouTube, and we are part of the Glam Elegant Living Society. Our host is Lady Phoenix from Really Good Living, Petalist Bless from Petalist Bless, Antoinette from Decorating with Aunt's Place, and myself, Cheryl, with iStylEmystyle. And what we ask our viewers to do was to join us in this wonderful collaboration and create a tablescape, a vignette, anything of your liking, as long as it featured elegant and glam decor. So today I am bringing you this video where I have decorated my loft space for spring. You guys know I love decorating in black and white. Those are my signature colors, and that is what we have up here. So I kept it simple, and I am using just this cute little plaid bunny. I picked him up from Pier 1. It was the old Pier 1 before they went out of business, so I've had him for a couple of years. And we have this vase that I thrifted. I think I paid like $2.99 or $3.99 for it. And then I have these very beautiful tulips that I picked up from Amazon. I absolutely love them. They're like latex, very soft. Love, love, love. You can get a bundle, I want to say for like $10 or $12, and you can sprinkle them throughout your home. So this is what I consider to be glam and elegant. You always must have something that's crystal or glass. Florals, of course, are always appropriate. They're very glam and elegant, and you cannot go wrong. I added some black tulips into this vase. As you can see, I absolutely love them. They complement my little black and white plaid bunny very nicely. So this video again is in collaboration with the Glam Elegant Living Society. I will leave a link for the ladies' channels down below, as well as a link of the playlist of all the participants. Now, even though the video has been short and sweet, I hope you like what you see. And if you are new here, I hope you consider hitting the subscribe button, smashing the notification bell, and becoming a member of the iStylEmystyle family. I would also appreciate it if you could give the video a thumbs up, like, and leave a comment down below. It helps YouTube know that you are liking my channel content so that they will push it out to more viewers. So that is all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next one.